Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probe Quick Reviews back at you with another knife review. And today we're looking at a simple EDC. It's a rather large one. It is the ERA004 by Elk Ridge. Got a nice wood handle right here with a thumb, like I guess you would just be a thumb groove, maybe is what you would call this. But it's easy access to get to that thumb stud. Now, it is only a single thumb stud. It is not dualed. But if you can see right here, see how they've got it kind of grooved out. Well, I don't know why they have it grooved out there, but they have it grooved out here so you can hit that thumb stud, bam, and pop that knife on open. It is spring assisted. And right here you have your standard drop point blade with a large belly right here. Nice little choil right there. So if you wanted to choke up on it to get more control of your blade, they've got that. Nice handle here. Oh, I see why they have that. It's more for your thumb grooves and a defensive stance. It's still got a good grip with that uptick right back here at the back. Now, moving on back, because it is just a simpler knife. You do have a lanyard hole on here, which is good. Right up here at the top, you have some thumb grooves, which are only incorporated into the handle. You don't have any actually on the blade. They seem to be a little further apart than I would like, but not too bad for the cut down. Right here, you just have your simple liner lock. Closes rather nice. Right here, you do have your trigger for the spring assist. So, bam, that's another way you can open it right there. So not too bad right there, guys. And again, it's that liner lock. One hand deployment, single hand close, bam. Now, let's look at this belt clip. Ah, goodness. It's not too beefy of a belt clip, and I don't like the fact that it sits super low because you are going to have about this much sticking out of your pocket. So that's actually, yeah, looking at it this way in the camera, that's probably going to be a downside on this knife. But it does, oh no it doesn't. It doesn't really have an uptick right there. So that might be a downside on this knife. But other than that, guys, other than the belt clip, just this is a super simple EDC knife. Not too bad. Elk Ridge does a really good job with some of their blades that they do. And they do like this more simplistic style. But guys, that's it. This is the ERA004 by Elk Ridge. It's just one of the classic designs that they have. So I will leave a link in the description below if you want to go check it out. And if you want to see a more in-depth review of where we do it in the pocket, and at the time of the shooting, I haven't actually done it yet, but we will have it up where we show the sharpness, show what it looks like in the pocket. Be sure to go check us out at Product Probes. That's our other channel where we do more in-depth reviews on knives like this. So guys, hope the review helped, and I'll see y'all in the next one.